Hi, it's Liz, popping in from Sew4Home with a little serger magic and an excellent done-in-a-day project. So let's check. Nope, nothing up my sleeve. How about in my magic hat? Yep, it is our serged knit triangle scarf. 2 triangle layers of a silky lycra knit and a stretch velvet knit. So easy, just cut, stitch, and wear, or cut, stitch, and give. All right, so it's not really magic, but it is easy and fun and fast. Now, there is a free pattern to download so that you can get that perfect gentle curve at the back of the scarf, as well as the points at the front tails. Now, it can be tied or looped or wrapped, and remember, it's reversible, so that means even more ways to wear. Now, let's check again. Yep, pick a card, any card, because as we always say, the key to success in anything is to test. And we have pictures and notes in our step-by-step instructions to show all the various tests that we did to settle on our final 2-thread overlock stitch in a silk merino yarn. So the question is, could you use a standard sewing machine and an overcast stitch? You could, with extra testing, some stabilization, and some experimentation with the thread weights. But really, for this project, a serger is your best option. And it's also going to give you a bit of a window into why adding a serger to your sewing space can be a great way to save time and give your seams that professional quality finish. We used the Janome AirThread 2000D. Thank you, Janome. And if you have been thinking about that serger add into your creative space, this would be a great option. It has 1-push air threading, an 8-piece feed dog, and a built-in 1-step converter, so it's really fast and easy to change from 3-thread to 2-thread. So the steps, our testing notes, and the free pattern are all available right now at Sew4Home. Thanks for listening, and happy sewing! Oh, and happy serging!